To turn on a light, just tap the corresponding icon. To dim, swipe left or right on the symbol. Up-down fading, the adjustment of the light distribution of uplight and downlight, is done with the same movement but swiping up or down. To change the color temperature of a metal, just keep your finger on the light icon until the color temperature slider appears. At the top, the color temperature is warmer. On the bottom, it is colder. Controlling groups works exactly the same way. Just do the same movements on the group's icon. If you want to control individual lights in the group, double tap the group to open it. Also, on the gallery picture, the control gestures are exactly the same.